Hey there! Today we're diving into a common audio and video problem. The issue arises when trying to add a subtitle to a specific MKV file, leading to an error message during the process. With various attempts and troubleshooting, we discovered a solution to overcome this hiccup. In the provided solution, we first extracted the video from the MKV file using FFmpeg, ensuring to exclude the audio stream. This step involved setting the video tag to HEVC1 and adjusting the pixel format to UV420p for compatibility. Next up, we extracted the audio stream from the MKV file using FFmpeg, maintaining the audio quality by copying the stream directly without any re-encoding. Then, we proceeded to mux the extracted video and audio streams together into a new MKV file. This process involved combining the video track from the out.ts file with the audio track from the out.flac file while keeping the original quality intact. In the following steps, further investigation into the HEVC format limitations revealed insights into the invalid default display window error. By utilizing specific commands and options like analyze duration and probe size, we managed to address the error and successfully generate the desired output. To wrap it up, by following the steps outlined and diving deeper into the nuances of the HEVC format, we navigated through the challenges and emerged with a functional solution. Remember, the journey to resolving tech glitches is part of the fun in the digital realm. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knows, you might just unlock the next level of problem-solving prowess.